This video continues to introduce the Reflow soldering software operation. This overheating machine alarm setting, introduced before. The second is the temperature settings, which is the same as the temperature settings according to the program recipe. It also sets the heating temperature for each temperature zone. You can see the temperature here is the same as the set temperature outside. The temperature you set in the program will also be presented here. This one has a segmented heating time setting, which is prohibited from being modified here. Wrong settings will affect the machine. This is a segmented heating method to reduce the impact of current on the machine. Do not cancel this check. If you cancel this temperature zone, it will not be heated. We can't use this PID value setting, and permission is required to open this. This is maintenance information. Maintenance name, maintenance records. Maintenance management. This is the same as before. This test is what I/O means. This is the port for I/O signals. This is the recording of the PCB passing through Reflow soldering. Here are permissions settings, me settings, and other functions. These do not need to be modified. We do not use them. Modification is prohibited. The parameters in this have been introduced before. This open check is cancelled because this machine does not have this function. There is a password change here. Normally, we do not set a password. This after-sales engineer was set up when the machine left the factory. Others are gone. This is the log of the machine running. This is the log generated every day. Logging of automatic operation of the machine. This is the furnace temperature curve. Reset is when the machine malfunctions to resume. Suppose we mistakenly press the emergency stop. We restore the emergency stop switch and then click the reset button. The machine can operate normally. To click reset, then turn on the furnace temperature heating switch. If an abnormality occurs during normal production and needs to be reset, we need to turn on the heating switch. We switch the program method, select the program first. After selecting the program, click Select as current program. Click to save data. Click Finish to close. This is how to switch between different programs. If you don't understand other parameters, you can contact us at any time. Next, we'll explain how to connect the machine's power cord, along with some important precautions. There are 3 live wires L1, L2, L3 with 1 and 0 wire and 1 ground wire. The live wire is 380 volts voltage. After connecting the power cord, you measure the voltage. If the machine reports an error, it means that the live wires are connected incorrectly and need to be swapped between the live wires. If the live wire connection is incorrect, this shows a green light. The red light is displayed here. We need to turn off the power and switch between the live wires. The connection of the power cord requires professional electrician technicians to operate, and it is forbidden for others to operate the connection of the machine power cord. This is a PLC. This is a solid-state relay. These switches correspond to the heat switches in the temperature zone above. The switch below corresponds to the switch in the temperature zone under Reflow soldering. This has 8 switches above and 8 switches below. The same goes for these solid-state relays. 8 above, 8 below. That switch over there corresponds to the solid-state relay over there. These are PCL controllers. Here are some relay switches. The relay here controls the actions of the machine, such as debugging the track width, etc. Control the startup of the machine. The air supply switches in the furnace of the machine. The opening or closing of the safety cover of the machine is all here. On the other side is the frequency converter, which supplies air to the furnace. This is the frequency converter. The middle inverter is the upper temperature zone air supply controller. The one on the right is the lower temperature zone air supply controller. That concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions regarding the operation, please feel free to contact us at any time. www.jhighmiz.com